Alright guys, this is how it looks from a different camera. So we're taking a look with our cell phone just to give you a different perspective from different quality phone, different cameras here. Love it guys, love it. And also guys, as you can see, we now have the final piece on top. So there's going to be that loose piece that you think comes all by itself. That's just to protect the top, so all the metal, and how I put them, I just put them like this. You probably could put it around in here, but I put it like that. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we got a family tent that we're going to be setting up, showing you guys how to set it up, how easy it is, how hard it is. So it comes in this nice carrying pouch. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so they give you your stakes, they give you the whole tent, and then you got your support beams. So let's go ahead and start setting it up. So this is my first time setting this model up, and as you guys saw, it actually, I sped up the footage, but it took me less than 5 minutes to get this set up. We still gotta get it set up better, and the stakes would get staked into the grass in the ground. I'll show you guys up close once we're completely done here. All right guys, so with the pins would get placed down in here, and you would put that in the ground. So that would help keep this down from the wind. You also have these pins here. So over on the whole side of it, let's see, take these strings over. So this is what it looks like on the side here. So basically what this top piece is, it's like a protective cover. So the tent that you're in is actually inside of this. So this is the tent that you're in. This is like a protective cover over the whole top and part of the sides. So as you guys can see, very simple setup. Everything is very simple in here. Easy setup. We take a look on the side here. All through the corners, you're gonna have places to put the stakes in. Down here, you have a window. Now I'm not sure, it probably opens from the inside. Oh no, here we go. So we go ahead and open this up. As you guys see, now you got direct air from the front and the back, if that's what you want. Obviously it zippers down the whole way. It actually looks like it could be, oh, it is doubled. So you can actually have this as an opening as well, because you can open this screen right here, which is really awesome. Again, super easy. And for my first time setting it up, I would say about 5 minutes. So therefore, as I get used to it, probably only take me 2 to 3 minutes to set it up. Don't worry, we will take it apart. All right, let's head in here. Now in here, you do have a door and you have a screen as well. So you got the screen, go inside. All right, so as you can see at the top, it's vented, and again, you got something right here to hang a light if you want to hang a light at the top. Wow, this is nice. So I'm 5'9". Let's see here. If I lay from corner to here, we got plenty of room, as you guys can see. Hey guys, this is nice. I like this a lot. So yeah, I mean, take a look at this. This is really cool. Now let's see if we would lay up and down. So 5'9", got our feet touching. Yes, you can lay up and down. So in all theory, you could fit 2 adults in here, and I mean, it depends how you lay. You got 2 small kids, you could fit 2 small kids, 2 large adults in here. Maybe more people, depends on how you lay. But I really do like this a lot. This is nice. This is a nice tent. Very cool. The fact that it has windows on both sides, plus the heat can extract up there, and you got your protective piece at the top. Wow. Really nice, my friends. I love it. Absolutely love it. And silly me, how could I forget these pieces? So once you connect them all together, which they just simply pop in and out, then you go and feed it up the side, right straight through. And that just gives you extra support. So very simple. What we're gonna do is we're just going to feed it through the whole end. Start right through here, and you just feed this up. And that's going to go through this black loop right on here, which we'll show you guys. All right, so how I do it, a lot of people actually do it differently, but this is how I personally do it. So I put it like here, and then I tie this off on here. I've seen people do it many different ways. I've seen people run it up under here, in through here. So inside, for us personally, this is just what I do. And so again, I put it through for extra support, and then I tie it off. That way it's just not sticking out. So this is sticking out right here. I would tie it off right on here, stake the tent into the ground. That's how I personally do it. You guys do it how you personally want to do it, but that's how I personally do it. So guys, overall, super happy. And also guys, as you can see, we now have the final piece on top. So there's going to be that loose piece that you think comes all by itself. That's just to protect the top, so all the metal. And how I put them, I just put them like this. You probably could put it around in here, but I put it like that on each one. Like I said, you probably could put it right in there, but I just did it like this because it works. So you just do that on each 4 corners and you're good to go. All right guys, now we're gonna take it down and show you how simple it is to take it down. All right, not sure if my footage got lost or what. I think my camera got too hot setting in the sun, but I think this took me probably about 8 minutes to put it away. So a little longer to put it away than to set up. But keep in mind, this was my first time putting it back. So I was able to put it back in the bag completely. So overall, absolutely love it, guys. Love it.